In today's quick tips, we're going to review the golden shower tree, this beauty before you here, and how you can best grow her in your garden. So, you ready to dig in? Let's grow. The golden shower tree goes by the botanical name Cassia fistula, and she's a fast grower. She can easily reach up to 30-40 feet by about 30 or 40 feet wide. She has this really unique branching habit. It kind of sprawls out in this little wonky Dr. Seuss way, but it really makes the tree have a lot of character in my opinion. She's native to India, Malaysia, and Southeast Asia, and she grows best in U.S. hardiness zones 10B through 11. She's a tropical tree, so she's not going to do well where you get a hard frost. This tree is semi-deciduous, so she's going to drop some leaves in the wintertime, but don't fret, that's a totally normal thing that happens to this tree. And when she rotates over into spring and summer, you're going to see the tree transform into this beautiful bouquet of bright yellow flowers. The flowers will cover the entire tree. It's spectacular. The flowers are arranged in these big clusters. These racemes are about 18 inches long, and they just take your breath away. I mean, come on, look at her. Look how big and juicy those flowers are. Another cool feature is that this tree will flower for you in the fall. Not as much as in the summer, I found, but she does flower a little bit in the fall too, which is kind of cool. You'll want to place your golden shower tree where she can get full sun. It would make a great focal point in a garden, but I would also add some evergreen trees around her, some non-deciduous trees. That will help balance out the look year-round. On soil type, you want a well-drained, loamy mix, but this tree is very adaptable to many different types of soils. On watering needs, if you have an automatic irrigation system, watering, let's say, 3 times a week, she's going to do fine. But once these trees are established, they really don't need a lot of extra water. You just need to hit them with some water if you notice some stress during a drought. The examples we have before you here are actually growing in some of our Miami-Dade parks, and they have no supplemental watering going on there, and they're doing fine. On fertilizer, you don't necessarily need to add any. These are pretty tough trees. But if you want to encourage some more blooms, you can add in a 394 organic in around April, May, and June, and again in September to help encourage some more blooming. And lastly, on pests, you really don't need to worry about many. This tree may get some caterpillars, but it's pretty tough. And with that, we want to thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell your friends and family. We post videos weekly. Thanks.